Most travelers arriving in Sri Lanka make one critical mistake. They skip Colombo. They land, see the traffic, and immediately head for the beaches or tea hills. But what if I told you this chaotic capital hides $2 secrets that could change how you see Sri Lanka forever? Because beneath the noise lies a story of survival, spirituality, and street food so spicy it could make your eyes water, in the best way possible. So before you rush to the coast, let me show you why Colombo deserves your 48 hours. This is not your standard travel vlog. It's your blueprint to experiencing Colombo the way locals do. Raw, unpredictable, and incredibly rewarding. I spent a week uncovering the city's hidden gems, from markets that never sleep to temples that charge only $2 but offer a lifetime of peace. By the end of this video, you'll know how to taste, feel, and truly understand the heartbeat of Sri Lanka's capital. Ready? Let's dive in. Colombo has two realities: the shiny skyline with its five-star hotels and the wild living organism known as Peta Market. This isn't just a market, it's sensory overload in high definition. Every inch is alive. Merchants shouting, tuk-tuks squeezing through impossible gaps, and the smell of curry, fabric dye, and sweat all mixing into one unforgettable symphony. Here you can buy anything: spices, sarongs, phones, or even a tailor-made outfit, all for local prices. Crossing the street, though, that's the real challenge. It's like playing Frogger in real life. You wait, breathe, and when the locals move, you move. Survive that, and congratulations, you've passed your first test in Colombo. A few steps away, a red and white masterpiece catches your eye. The Jami ul Alfar Mosque, or simply the Red Mosque. Built in 1909, it's a hypnotic mix of Gothic and Indo-Islamic design, a true architectural gem. Tourists of all faiths are welcome, and stepping inside is like entering another dimension. Calm, silent, and spiritual. The mosque even offers free guided tours, a rare and beautiful gesture in a city of constant motion. When the chaos gets too loud, head for Beira Lake, Colombo's quiet soul. The best $2 you'll ever spend is on a pedal-powered swan. Yes, they rent you giant swan boats. It's funny, exhausting, and oddly peaceful, especially at sunset, when skyscrapers reflect gold across the water. A short walk away sits Gangaramaya Temple, a blend of Sri Lankan, Thai, and Chinese designs. For just $2, you can explore this temple island, home to sacred relics, ancient statues, and the kind of silence that makes you forget you're in a capital city. Locals say this is where travelers come to reset, to slow down and breathe again. And they're right. If this video helps you see Colombo differently, make sure to hit that like button. It tells the algorithm you care about real travel, not tourist traps. Colombo is building its future, literally. You won't believe how Dubai-like this skyline looks after dark. At 356 meters, the Lotus Tower dominates the horizon, the tallest structure in South Asia. Its lotus design symbolizes purity rising from the mud, a poetic fit for this ever-transforming city. From the top, you see it all: the Indian Ocean, the historic Fort District, and the futuristic Port City. An entire neighborhood reclaimed from the sea, built to rival Dubai or Singapore. But just steps away lies Galle Face Green, a colonial-era field turned sunset playground. Families fly kites, kids chase waves, and vendors sell iso wade, crispy prawn fritters that might ruin all other snacks for you. Stay till sunset for the daily flag-lowering ceremony, a surprisingly moving local ritual few tourists ever witness. And if you crave sand between your toes, drive 20 minutes to Mount Lavinia Beach. Soft sands, beach bars, and colonial romance all rolled into one. Forget fancy restaurants. To taste Colombo, follow the smoke. The city's best barbecue starts when the sun goes down. By 7 p.m., Abdul Hamid Street turns into an open-air feast. Sizzling grills, stacked sandwiches, and chefs who cook with pure rhythm. Then, step into Nelam Cole, where food arrives not on plates, but on giant banana leaves. You eat with your hands, and the flavors hit like fireworks. Coconut, chili, lime, and heat that doesn't quit. For the ultimate comfort meal, grab a chicken biryani from Rahima Hotel Restaurant. Cheap, local, and made with love. Need a breakfast hack? Try Kanda, a creamy herbal porridge. And to stay hydrated, skip bottled drinks. Grab a king coconut. It's sweeter, colder, and more refreshing than anything in a can. Finish it all off with Bombay Sweets, a sugar bomb so rich it could fund its own economy. You can't leave Colombo without boarding one of Sri Lanka's legendary trains. This might be the world's most beautiful $5 ticket. The line from Colombo to Kandy or the southern beaches is cinematic. Lush hills, palm trees, and sea views that make you forget time exists. You can go third class for a few bucks if you want the local vibe and a bit of chaos, or first class for comfort and windows that frame the perfect Instagram shot. Whichever you choose, this ride is the definition of slow travel. Beautiful, raw, and deeply human. So, should you skip Colombo? No way. This city is the perfect prologue to Sri Lanka, a place where chaos meets peace and spirituality meets skyline. You've seen the $2 treasures, the sacred temples, the futuristic towers, and the street food that burns, heals, and delights all at once. Colombo is not a stopover. It's a story, and it's waiting for you to live it. If you want to uncover more hidden gems around the world, don't forget to subscribe, because the world is full of places tourists skip, and we're here to explore every one of them.